Don't want your friends or family to know where you are? Here's a quick and easy way to change your location on Find My iPhone. Step 1 is to install MagFone Location Changer on your PC from MagFone's official website. You can choose either the Windows or Mac version. Step 2 is to prepare for the location change. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security, and enable Location Services. Then, turn on Developer Mode on your iPhone like this. Now you're ready to change your location on Find My iPhone. You can set a fixed virtual location by connecting your iPhone to the PC, clicking Start, then Next. Choose your desired location and click Start Modifying to apply it. Want a moving virtual location instead? Again, connect both devices. Click Start and then Next. Select the third tab at the top right of the MagFone program. You can adjust the movement speed, set multiple points, and click Start Moving to simulate real-time location movement.